change the boiler heating element. This procedure is the same for all the 50s line coffee machines. Remember to use the gloves. Disconnect the machine to the power supply. Use the screwdriver PH1 to unscrew the 2 screws of the top of the machine and remove the water tank. Remove also the resin filter and the cover, hopper cover. Remove the water drip drain. Now I can remove the top machine. I have to push tube. Okay. Remove the wiring, but before to remove, make one point. Before to remove the wiring, make some marks on the fasten to remember their position and make a picture. And now remove the wiring. A flat screwdriver can help you. Disconnect the Teflon tube. Please push the ring and pull the tube. If you pull, the tube does not exit. Push the ring and pull the tube. Use the flat screwdriver to remove the freeway solenoid valve. Okay, please do not pull but push the ring. Push the solenoid valve and make this. You have to push the ring, not the fitting. Okay. Use the wrench key number 17 to unscrew the top nut and remove the knob. Remove the 4 nut. With these 2 fingers, I have to close the pressure gauge and take out. Disconnect this tube from the fittings. Push the ring and pull the tube. And now take out the boiler. Remove the water in the boiler. Use the wrench key number 17 to remove this free thermostat. 1, 2, and 3. With the wrench key number 12, loose the 2 nuts from the base of the fasten. And 2. Okay. With the 11th wrench key, unscrew this fitting. With the wrench key number 8, unscrew these 4 screws. Okay. Take the new one. Insert the gasket on the base of the 2 fastons of the new heating element. One and 1, 2. Insert the new heating element into the boiler in this size, not this. Okay. Fasten must face the tap. Okay. Screw the 2 nuts, 1 and then 2, with the wrench key number 12. Okay. The old copper pipe could be attached to the lower part of the boiler. In this case, remove it with the adjustable pliers. I have this. Sometimes when you remove this fitting, all the injector came out. Put the boiler gasket in the appropriate guide. Assemble the two parts of the boiler. Lock the filter holder to the lower part of the boiler. Okay. Place the upper part on the lower part and screw the 4 screws. Put glue on the thread of the injection pipe. Okay. Screw the fitting on one end. To the other end, insert it into the appropriate place in the center of the boiler and screw it. Okay, with the 11mm key, screw the fittings. You have to screw this fitting up to you don't see the O-ring, and when you don't see space between the fitting and the boiler, it means it is locked enough. Now we have changed the heating element, and as you can see, the boiler is empty of water, and if we turn on the machine in this condition, we can damage the heating element. We have to remove a fastener from the heating element, turn on the machine, filling up the boiler, and connect the fastener. Place the boiler in the right position. Connect the tube from the pump to connect the pump up to the OPV valve. Use the photo to connect correctly the wiring. Okay, I have connect the solenoid valve, connect the tube, okay, and the steam tap. Put some grease on the O-ring and in this part. Perfect. When we reinstall the nut, we use a little bit of glue to avoid to unscrew the nut during the use. Do not close with do not close hard this nut. Okay. Screw the 4 nuts and lock it with the 8mm key. Okay. Before to connect the machine, remove this fasten. We have to filling up the boiler before to connect this wire. Insert the tubes into the hole on the upper part to the bodywork. Take care to insert the upper bodywork in the red rubber. Use the screwdriver PH1 to screw the 2 screws on the top of the machine. 1 screw here and 1 screw here. Reinstall the resin filter. Okay. In the smallest tube, insert the water tank, the resin filter first, and the second tube second. And now we're finished. Thank you for watching.